Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2006 Toyota 4Runner. Stock number is A6151A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. Taking a look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires, running boards on the side, inside cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end, you have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, four-wheel drive, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Toyota on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.